Good morning, children. Children, you can make a model of a clock by the help of the cover. You see, it is a cover, or on the everywhere on a paper or your brown paper, or you see cardboard. On cardboard, when you do it, it is because of hardness. You can hold it and you can show the time in comfortably. Children, you see a button. Okay, you see a thread is there. So by the help of, you see, it is a thermocol. Yes or not? So the short is known as the hour hand and the long thermocol is known as the minute hand. My dear children, you see, it is, you see, by the help of thread, I can tight it. You see, by the help, you see, when you sew, children, you see, now you see what is the time. What is the time? Children, you know it is what? 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. Yes or not, children? Children, you see, when it moves one round, what happen? You see, observe. Then it is, you see, it is where? 10 o'clock. That means 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So between 1 hour. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Because you know 12, 1. It is 5 minutes. And you see when 2, it is 10 minutes. In this way, when you see, when it is 8, it is 40 minutes. When it is 12, it is 60 minutes. It is the long hand, it is the minute hand. Children, so it is, now you see, it is 11 o'clock. Children, you see, it is 11 o'clock. When it move one round, so then you go to what? Our hand will go to the 12 o'clock. 12. That is 12 o'clock. Children, so from the face of the clock, which is known as dial, on dial you know the time. Children, it is very interesting. You also make by the help of cardboard, or you see any cover. Okay, you can draw the face of the clock. Children, so you know the time, and also you see the time. Children, you see the minute hand or long hand when is at 6, and our hand is between 4 and 5. The time is, you know, it is what? It is 4:30. 4:30 or 4:30. Children, so it is very interesting. It is 4:30. When The long hand is at 6 and our hand is at 4 and between 4 and 5. Okay, when 3 and 4, it is 3:30 or 3:30. Children, is it interesting? Yes. Thank you.